All right, so I'm going to finish up here with a question. I actually want to take this clip, the next clip, and post it into the Discord group. And specifically, I want to be asking, what kind of content would you be interested in Traders Post covering as it relates to automated trading? We're really happy to see some of the feedback we've been getting from people, but there's things that Mike is interested in, I'm interested in, John's interested in, and we want to know where that Venn diagram matches up with you guys. So we really want to be the best automated trading platform for you guys. And in order to do that, what we see in our minds is, hey, we want to get people who are professionals in the industry or successful retail traders and get them on in order to interview them, ask them questions. Maybe do more how-to tutorials on for PineScript, or provide tools and resources that might be helpful for you. But as far as discussions are concerned, if there's anything that you want us to see, that you'd like us to see on this platform, we're all ears, and we're happy to reach out to anybody that that you think might be a good fit as an interviewee.